In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Bluetooth to Honda Fit 2015. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Honda Fit 2015, you can easily connect your smartphone over Bluetooth. So to get this connection started, use the dashboard and go into the settings. So go into the settings on your Honda Fit 2015, and inside you will have two main options that refer to Bluetooth. You will have the phone category and Bluetooth. If you go inside a phone, you can actually see the Bluetooth device list that is currently connected. But if you don't see it when you go to phone, then you can just head over to Bluetooth. So as you can see under phone settings, you do have the option to manage the Bluetooth devices. But again, if you don't see it here, or if you prefer, you can just go to the Bluetooth category instead. Regardless, just find the option to access the Bluetooth device list or the option to add a Bluetooth device under the Bluetooth settings. Once you find the list or you see this option to add a Bluetooth device, select it. Immediately upon choosing Add Bluetooth device, you will get this warning. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable on your mobile phone. So now on your smartphone, head over to the settings and enable Bluetooth. Then tap Continue, and your Honda Fit 2015 is going to look for nearby devices to pair with. If Bluetooth was successfully enabled on your smartphone, either Android or iOS, it doesn't matter, it is going to be available here in the list. So for example, it's going to be listed as iPhone or whichever name you gave it. Now you just have to highlight this option and select it. Immediately upon selecting your phone to add it as a Bluetooth device, it might ask for confirmation such as a passcode, so just make sure that the passcode displayed here matches any sort of passcode that appears on your iPhone's or smartphone screen, and once this connection has been confirmed, it is going to remain connected. You will be able to see your phone listed on the Bluetooth device list now. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Bluetooth to Honda Fit 2015. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.